I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT read responses out loud in the mobile app. As an added bonus, I'll also show you how to change the ChatGPT voice. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT mobile app and then navigate to the specific response you want it to read out loud. Step 2. Navigate to the bottom of that response where you'll see a menu and then tap the speaker icon in that menu. An audio bar will pop up on the screen and it will start reading that response to you using the default voice. You'll see buttons you can use to pause that response at any time or to skip backward or forward. You can exit the narrator at any time by tapping X on the audio bar. And you can easily change the voice if you need to by tapping the menu icon and then tapping your ChatGPT account name. Swipe down to the voice mode section and then tap Voice. The Choose a Voice menu opens. All you need to do is swipe through these options where you'll see a short description of each voice and you'll hear a preview. When you find a voice that you want to use as your ChatGPT voice, all you need to do is leave that voice selected and then tap Done. That voice will be set as your new ChatGPT voice going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.